Alright, good morning, y'all. It's a new day. It feels amazing here in Weatherford, Texas. Still a little cool this morning. I don't think it got down to even 40 degrees last night. But it's supposed to get up into the, I think, 70s today. It's a beautiful day. Found a great price on a couple of tires at a Walmart nearby, only 5 miles away. This Walmart didn't have any that fit my truck. So I'm running into Walmart right now, and we're gonna get some creamer for the coffee. Then we're gonna get the tires off the truck, and Craiginator and I are gonna take them over and get them swapped out, get them back on the truck, and we'll be back on the road. So I think it's a new world record. I was in there for about 8 minutes, and it's the first time, probably in the history of ever, that I've left Walmart and spent less than $5. Normally it's like 40, 100. You go, wait, I only got 3 things. But got some Bavarian-filled Bismarcks and some coffee creamer, and we're out the door. Here in a minute, I'm gonna go give Walmart plenty of money when I go buy a couple of tires and some diesel fuel additives. So $5 though this time. Good morning. Bavarian filled Bismarcks. Yes. And chocolate caramel creamer. Bucky's coffee. The joys of overnight camping at Walmart. Sometimes there's things in your way to get to your bed, and you have to do Walmart camping yoga to find a shirt or something.
Sweatshirt. Looking for a sweatshirt.
A sweatshirt.
Oh, I found it.
You won't need it for long. It's going to be warm today.
I know, but I need it now. Max, come. Right here.
Always working with comfort.
Sit. Sit.
Okay, so we just got back from the other Walmart. Craig was kind enough to drive us over there. He and I went and picked up the new tires, and they look a whole lot better than what we had on there. So we're gonna throw those on there. I'm also, while I have the wheel off, gonna go ahead and clean the brake dust out and adjust the drum brakes on the back. That'll just take a few minutes, bolt them back on. We're gonna hit the road and see how far we can get today.
All right. So we had a good night's sleep.
Very good.
And we got 2 new tires on the back of the truck. So we are ready to go. Brakes were adjusted. What else did you do to them?
Cleaned them. A lot of brake
Cleaned the
dust in there.
brakes. So we're ready to go. It's a new day. It's beautiful outside. It's warm, and we're gonna hit the road.
I don't know if we'll get into the desert part of Texas or not, but should be some beautiful scenery ahead.
Bye, y'all.
Take care.
For 25
If you enjoy these videos,
Give you a passing grade.
please subscribe.
Room for
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Room for improvement.
unlock the doors. That'd be my
But see,
suggestion.
sometimes,
So, you guys have a fine day. Be safe out there.
sometimes we have to do an emergency bathroom stop.
That's what I was just thinking.
Yeah, I should say.
Sometimes,
emergency bathroom stops.
Yeah.
yeah.
You might not have time to get that door unlocked. That could be the difference between a wardrobe change and not.
Different schools of thought there. Different schools of thought.
Why are we shooting? All right.
We're in
Backing up
Texas.
and then we're going around.
All right,
Okay.
we'll get out of your way. If you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends. Leave a comment and we'll catch up with you next time.